Looking for the right vehicle? Check out
The 2019 Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: hill descent control, body color door handles, engine block heater, front license plate bracket, Sirius satellite radio, trip computer, tinted glass, leather-wrapped steering wheel, compass. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.